In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram repost option not showing. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can't repost a story or post if the original creator has disabled allow resharing. So what you want to do is just find whichever, post you want. If the option appears there but not on your friend's post, they have it turned off. They've turned off sharing in their settings. And you can never repost a post from a private account to your own public story, as Instagram hides the button automatically to protect their privacy. So if you don't see the repost button on a certain post, it's because reposts aren't allowed. And sometimes a recent Instagram update resets your own account's ability to handshake with other posts. So what you want to do is go over to your profile icon and then go over to settings and activity, which is on the top right where it has the three lines, and then search for sharing and remixes. So I'm just going to type in sharing. You can see how others interact with you. Go ahead and click on sharing right there. And if it says allow post sharing to stories and allow story sharing to messages, basically any setting, just make sure it is enabled. And the final thing you can do is clear your cache. So what we want to do is go over to the settings application, then go over to general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, go ahead and find Instagram, click on it, and then offload the application, which is going to clear the cache, and then open Instagram again, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through. You might find something you didn't know about yet.